Today we're all ready to make Cowboy candy. My son loves this. We use jalapeno peppers, and so I went out yesterday afternoon and bought a bunch of these. They ended up being, what, $1.79 a pound. I got not quite 3 pounds of it. That was 30 peppers. So now today we're going to fix this up and jar it. It just mixes up, boils for a few minutes. You put it in jars, and then it's like about a 2-week, 3-week, even 4 weeks, if you can wait that long, for them to age and be at their best. But my son loves this hot stuff. He puts it on sandwiches, he puts it on pizzas, puts it in rice, he puts it in all kinds of dishes. So getting ready to make that today. Gonna wash them, of course. I put just a drop of Dawn in there, but let's get them clean. Just give them a minute in there. Who knows who handled them or what field they came out of, so if they don't have jalapenos, oh my God, the tariffs on jalapenos, TJ will still buy it, I know. Now basically all I need is some sharp knives and a cutting sheet. I use a 5-quart pot to boil it in. And you're going to need some slotted spoons to dip it out, to put it into the jars. So I have that all prepped and ready. Now I've got some jars already. This isn't canned. You just use a screw-on lid. So I use these screw-on lids that you can with, but you just make sure you clean the rim just like you do if you were canning. Otherwise, that sugary syrup, it's going to seal that as solid as it can be. Now the spices you need are turmeric, garlic, celery seed, and cayenne pepper. And then in addition to that, you're going to need granulated sugar and brown sugar. Sorry, this is already opened, so I have it in my sealed container. And then the only other thing is you'll need vinegar, 2 cups of that. We may have 2 cups, but I've got backup if we don't. I got a whole lot. He loves this stuff so much. I don't know when we'll ever stop making it through the year. So those are all the basic ingredients. Now in this recipe that I filmed, we mixed up the mixture and got it started to boiling, and it was supposed to boil for about 4 minutes. And it's at that point, after we mixed it up, we started to chop the jalapenos. I think I would do it just the opposite when we do it again, because I was stressed out, that's just me, trying to get the jalapenos all ready and sliced and ready to put in, but not let that syrup boil more than 4 minutes. So you might want to get everything sliced ahead of time, have it in a bowl, and then put your mixture on to start timing the heating up process, get to a rolling boil, and then simmer for 4 minutes. Now I did see one lady who made this on the internet, and she had some kind of an attachment for her KitchenAid mixer, stand mixer, and it diced them. That looks really good. Now, I haven't tested out whether TJ thinks he'd like them diced or not, so that might be something I'll explore and see if he thinks he would like them diced. But that'll be all up in the air. And do I want to sink another, couple $100 into a dicer that I may never use? Who knows? It could be something useful, but it could also be collecting dust with the rest of my things.
They've reduced down quite substantially.
And now it's ready to put into the bowls. Now, do you want to try the... Now, is that hot for you?
It doesn't feel hot yet.
Right. Now, do you think we're going to go? Because I'll have a couple more.
Maybe.
Here's the little orange one.
Might be something to mush them down. Be enough because we can mush them down and pop them up because there's like barely any left. Ow.
Small jar or not? Or you think that's it?
That's it.
Okay. Okay, now I'm going to get you. I don't know how long. Do you think you can do it on one of these? Is it turned off?
Not yet, no. I think that's all of them.
So do you think? Do you want to tilt it, or how do you want to try it?
Look at that scale.
Now, are we going to have some of the liquid left over again?
Yeah.
And I'm going to get the jalapenos for this size cooking. Is that right? So do you want to have a pint?
I guess.
I mean, is that okay? It's even taking your breath away.
The burner.
And we do clean the rim because the sugary syrup will cause a sticky mess that you just can't get the lid back off. So be sure to clean the rim just like you would if you were canning. Now these were not canning. They just sit and wait to age for 2 weeks to a month before they're at their best. You can eat them beforehand if you get impatient. So now they're all lidded, and all you do is just let them cool, and you can store it in your refrigerator until they're ready to eat. Again, they're not canned and sealed. They're just in a tight fitting lid jar. And that's it. Cowboy candy.